Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. A lot of you are probably at the stage of prepping where you're trying to get food, water, some security items. Others are way past that. So I need to bring you some items that I'm stocking or having to make my life easier in a grid down situation. Also, this item doesn't have to be used in a grid down situation. I wish I had this item when I had my 4 knee surgeries. Being an infantry guy, I destroyed my knees. This would have helped me a lot. They gave me crutches, and crutches are great. But I think there's another item, and this is one of the items that are on my 25 must-have for a prepper's hospital at your house for your retreat. And this item is a walker. It's not much, and probably a lot of you haven't even thought about it, but this could be a must item. If you get hurt, some of you might already be using a walker, so you're already ahead of the curve. Walkers are so cheap. I bought this at an auction with a bunch of other stuff that I sold a bunch of stuff, so really I have nothing into this. They're very cheap. Probably go to a secondhand store and buy them for nothing. This one particular one folds, so it makes it easier for storage. So if storage is critical for you, you don't have enough of it, look at one that folds. I think they're as strong as one that doesn't fold. So easy to use. Open it up, and it feels just as strong as one that doesn't fold. This is so valuable. If you get hurt in a grid down situation and you can't get medical care, you might not even have crutches. But this will give you the option of moving around. This one has wheels on it. I like the wheels, especially if you're going to move. You could even use this if you have one leg totally incapacitated where you can't put any weight on it. You slide and move. Very easy. I've been on crutches for months and months and months on end, so I'm pretty good with crutches. I personally wish I would have had this around the house. So if I was moving in a room or something, I didn't have to get the crutches out. This would be so much easier. Plus, if I had to stand for a long time, a lot easier here. So take it from me that's been on crutches. Get a walker. You could use it tomorrow if you hurt yourself. Definitely put tennis balls. This will protect those rubber. Plus, it makes it slide a little easier. I like the wheels on it, so if you can find one with the wheels, get it. If not, just get one without the wheels. It's still going to be very helpful for you. So, you thought you had everything? Do you have one of these, a walker? Thanks for watching.